here, and I've got Thanksgiving dinner that we'll be preparing this week. In your basket, you'll have some vegetables. Today for preparation, I've got beets and carrots that we'll roast. You may have something different in your crate when you receive it. We've got some roasted turkey and some gravy. So we're going to roast our vegetables. A little bit of oil over these, and then we'll kind of move them around in the pan so they all get coated. 425. You want to preheat your oven, and then we'll stick it in for roughly 20 minutes. A little pinch of salt, especially on the beets, brings out the sweetness. We're going to plate up our roasted turkey. If you like a lot of gravy, put a lot of gravy on. If you like just a little bit, just kind of drizzle it on there. Pop this into your microwave. Start out with 30 seconds and then just keep warming it in 30-second increments. It's been about 25 minutes, so I'm going to check my roasted vegetables. Yep, they're fork tender. That's piping hot, so we're ready. Oh, love beets. Thanksgiving dinner.